Hi friends, so today what we're gonna make is dancing rice. It's a fun experiment to learn about density, and let's get started. So what we need is a glass jar, some baking soda, some vinegar, some food coloring if you want, and some instant rice. You're gonna need instant rice for this one because it's lighter. Regular rice may or may not work, but we'll experiment and see. Depending on how big of a jar or bowl or whatever you're using, you're gonna have to adjust your materials. So I can't give you an exact amount that you need, but you'll have to kind of see how it goes as you do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our glass, and then we're gonna put some rice, and we're gonna put everything together and see what happens. So we're gonna take our glass, and we're gonna fill it with about 3/4 of a cup of water, just like that. And then we're going to take about a teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to put that in, and we're going to stir it until it's all mixed. Once it's mixed up, you're going to start putting in some rice. Not everything is going to fall right to the bottom. Some might sit on top, and that's okay. We're going to put the rice in and see how some falls to the bottom, some stays on top. That's exactly what we want. That's okay. So then once this is all set, we're going to take about a tablespoon of vinegar . And we're going to put that in and watch what happens when it has the reaction. See? The rice that's on the bottom dances all the way to the top. And it might take a little bit, but that's okay. You just have to have a little bit of patience. But you'll see. That's how you have dancing rice. And if the instant rice doesn't work, you can always try regular rice. You can try pasta. You can try anything else. It's really just a matter of seeing what kind of density stuff has. You see it dancing? And then before you put any of the other stuff in, you can put your food coloring in if you'd like. You can always put it in after too, if you want to see how it falls down. I use gel with my food coloring, so it doesn't always work right away. You could also stir it up a little and watch how everything fizzes. And once it settles, you can see how much more rice dances up to the top. Happy science, friends.